Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to take a look at another Edifier product. These will be headset apart from the speakers that we did last time. So G2II, or the most likely second version, the 7.1 virtual surround sound gaming headset. And right from the box they look really interesting with additional controller, as you can see right here. Well, basically inline controller. So let's dive in and check out the headset. So basically what you get in the box, of course, you get the instruction manual with all the information about the inline controller, about the headset, and this is some sort of a warning or instruction manual, important safety information, which we don't need to take a look. You'll read that when the time comes and if you get the headset. Now you have a detachable microphone which is really flexible and you can adjust it as you wish, and on top of that you can add your pop filter which you get inside the box, which is really cool. Now taking a look at the headset, they look really interesting, and the funny thing is the headset were in the box already, I would say, stretched out, but here is their normal position. So you have some sort of a leatherette with memory foam, as well as on the ear cups and on the holder, and you have, well, mostly it's plastic. On top you have gray lettering with Edifier name on top, G2II, and the Ealot logo right here that lights up. The top part is matte black, I would say, and the side ear cups are gloss black, which looks really cool and gives a bit of a diversity. In the inner part of the headset you have two, I would say one on each side, some metal part that actually holds the whole headset together, giving it more stability. As you can see, you can adjust the distance from the hanger and the ear cup, so you can adjust it to your head, and this way you will give the headset a bit of a, I would say, adjustment to your head. Now when it comes to the cable that you connect to your PC, you only have a USB connection, which right in the middle has the inline control. So looking at the right side of the inline controller, you have the plus minus wheel, which also which indicates for the volume up or down. You have the mute button, and you also have the option to turn on or off the LED light on your headset. Now let's take a look how they fit. First we're going to go to the connection. So the only connection that you actually have on your headset is the one that you use to connect your microphone. The microphone connects in the way that it kind of has the certain canals that you place inside the 3.5mm jack, and you twist it so that the microphone doesn't get out of the ear cup. So let's check it out. So okay, this initial first placement, I would say, is practically the placement that you're going to adjust the ear cups on your head. So basically when I stretched them out fully, I still had some space right here at the top, so you could adjust everything with the hangers here at the edge. Now the comfortability of the headset and of course the isolation from the outer sound is quite amazing, because the leatherette really sits nicely all around your ear, doesn't touch it, and really isolates the outer sound. The comfortability of the ear cups is quite outstanding, as well as the top hanger, so really cool. Now let's check some main specifications of the G2II headset. So 360 degrees surround sound effect, you have lighting effects with multiple RGB colors, a 50mm ND-FEB unit with excellent sound performance, detachable and flexible omnidirectional microphone, lightweight headband, and soft leather earmuffs for comfortable fit. As I already said, they are really comfortable. Now when it comes to frequency response, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, independence is 32 ohms, sensitivity 98 decibels. Now, since these headsets are only PC compatible, let's connect them to a PC and let's check out the sound quality and test out the microphone. So now we're testing out the microphone right through the Audacity recording, so we can check out how the microphone actually sounds through the USB connectivity. As I stated, and this will definitely give a longer way to adjust and to basically for you guys to realize how the microphone is. Now, as I stated right here on this part, as we talked about for the inline control, when you switch up to the top, the RGB LEDs start to go in cycle, but you can also, as you can see, push it down and it turns off the RGB. The thing is, you don't have to turn it off or on, since it doesn't take the battery life, since the headsets aren't wireless. So it's basically up to your preferences if you like the RGB lights or you don't like them. Of course, the button for the works perfectly. When the microphone is on, it lights here red. When you press it here, it doesn't light up at all. So the red indication lights gives you an idea that the microphone is still in function. And of course, we have here the volume knob, as stated before, that you can adjust the height of the sound going into your ear cups or lower it down. It's really cool and handy, and you do have a bit too much cable from your headset to your controller, so I would place it somewhere around here, because the other cable is really long and it gives you so much I would say space and distance from your PC to your headset that it's just unbelievable. But it's also cool because when you're close to the table, as I am, and if you pin it somewhere close and it doesn't go doesn't bother you while gaming, you can basically have it here and just adjust everything on the go and on the fly. Yeah, let's hear the microphone and then we'll make some conclusion. Okay, so the conclusion for the headset that are quite interesting by design, first of all. Then the actual sound that comes from the ear cups is truly amazing, and I really love that how it sounds, the bass and the lows and the mids and the highs and everything. The only thing that might pull you off a bit, but only just a bit, is the gloss part, which will have your fingerprints on, or you might just have to clean it regularly. But apart from that thing, these are perfect. Clear voice on the microphone, which is also adjustable, and you can place your pop filter on it. The headband is really I would say soft and really comfortable, as well as the ear cups. And ear cups really make a nice pressure without the headache as a feature that isolate the auto sound, and they still would all together part with the headband and the ear cups really create a nice and comfortable feeling while using them and gaming or listening to music or anything else. The RGB is just an addition, and it doesn't have to bother you because you can switch it off, or you could just leave it on since you can't see it while you're gaming. These headsets are really remarkable, I can say, and for the price. And of course we have Edifier standing at the back, so you know it's a good quality. So I'm going to place the links for the Edifier G2II in the description below. These are 7.1 virtual surround gaming headset with USB connectivity to your PC. You can check out the links, the price and everything else. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe, and of course leave a comment on, let's say, what headsets are you using currently. So thank you for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Bye bye guys.